bullying doesn't just happen in school hallways. It happens online, in workplaces, and even in politics.
A new talk show is taking on the culture of bullying. We want you to name it. Follow us and help us build something better.
So as I take a stroll with my dog on, it might be the first episode of talks that I'm gonna do on this channel created by Spotify. See if I can get my followers to come back on and talk with me about different topics, mostly bullying, but different topics that are going on. So this is the first thing I'm going to do. You know, in America and throughout the world too, you can see it throughout the world, but lots of people are concerned with what's going on with President Trump. I didn't want to say his name, but I said it. And what's going on throughout the world, basically. And the thing that people don't want to understand or don't understand, and I don't know why, is you have a lot of Republicans who I've spoke to about bullying, about their experience in bullying, whether it be young kids that are in high school, or whether it be adults that are dealing with workplace bullying, but they choose to support the Republican Party. And I don't understand how that could be. We are adults, or we're young adults if you're still in high school. We know what bullying looks like. Okay? Especially when we are at the bullying end of it, right? We know what it looks like. But we can't see bullying once we enter the realm of politics. That sounds like a lot of, trying to find nice words here because I don't know how Spotify deals with cursing, but it's a lot of BS, folks. We know what bullying is. You're going to tell me that the Republican Party is not bullying people when they arrest senators for doing their job? When Senator Padilla went to go talk to, I believe, Kristi Noem, and he gets slammed to the floor and then arrested? We don't know what that looks like. That's when it doesn't become bullying. When the senator from Nevada, sorry, I can't remember his name, goes to check out a facility in upstate Nevada, and he's told that he cannot enter. And all this stuff going around throughout America, where Democrats are doing their job and they're being stopped in some way or arrested in some way. America has to really man up, in my opinion, and create a situation, I say situation and not law, right? But create a situation where when the police or when someone weaponizes the police to do their dirty work, that they are themselves arrested and then pay a fine, and if it continues to happen, then they will spend some jail time, maximum a year, maybe 2, and continue to increase their jail time if they continue to do that. I think I told you guys, and I'll tell you this quick story before I end it. I have a friend who was in the NILC. It's the union that is supposed to help the letter carriers. He went to watch the count for an election, and he was arrested. The opposite side said that he was trespassing. He was asked to leave. He tried to plead his case to the police that he has every right to be there, and the police did not listen to him or knew that he was supposed to be there. I don't know to this day, but then they arrested him. Of course, there were no charges done on him. He was released, I believe, within 24 hours or the allotted time. So the cops think that just because you release a person in an allotted time, that everything's okay. And we need to stop that. The police need to be more educated on what they're doing. And when they're in a situation where, this guy has come up with credible information that he does belong here, and so they have to leave it alone. But, the outcome of it was that my friend didn't win the election. Didn't win the election because he didn't have the right amount of votes, or didn't win the election because he wasn't there to watch it count. That's the question. To watch the count. He wasn't there to watch the count. So that's the question that we all have to ask ourselves there. So, if you have a topic you want to talk about bullying, or any other topic that I mentioned, reach out to me, and we'll do something where we can talk about it. This will be my first episode here on Spotify. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know if Spotify has a subscription basis or how they work on follow, but if it's follow us. If it's a subscription, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, be sure to share with your friends. We're going to talk about all types of topics here, because I believe that bullying is so big in life, and that I believe that bullying is in all types of situations in life as we go through life. Whether it be politics, whether it be work, whether it be school, whether it just be friendships. Bullying is everywhere. And it's the behavior can be injected into anywhere that happens in life. So that's going to do it for me. Like I said, be sure to subscribe, follow, like, and we'll see you, We will see you in the next video.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!
Leave black people alone.